This video covers the two sets of resources on converting numbers to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to numbers, which can be found on the Times Educational Resource website and the Teachers Pay Teachers website. These resources are free. Let's begin with the teaching page designed for use with the interactive whiteboard or a computer for one-to-one tuition. There are 4 levels of questions. The first level deals with numbers from 1 to 20. The second level deals with numbers from 10 to 100. The third level deals with numbers from 100 to 1000. And the fourth level deals with numbers from 1000 to 3999. As you saw before, clicking on any of the buttons will randomize the numbers. The idea is for the pupils to come up to the whiteboard or on the computer and choose the number that matches the Roman numeral. They click on any button that they think is the right answer. Only when they choose the right number do the ticks appear in the columns. Anytime you need to review the conversion between numbers and Roman numerals, click on the eye, and then to make it disappear, click again. Accompanying the teaching page, there are worksheets, and the 4 buttons at the bottom randomize the questions in the same way as in the teaching page. The square underneath is a space where pupils can do their workings. And accompanying the worksheets, the answers are available on the second sheet. The second teaching page aims to practice with the pupils converting Roman numerals to numbers. The 4 buttons at the bottom are the same ranges of numbers as in the first teaching page, which is 1 to 20, 10 to 100, 100 to 1000, and 1000 to 3999. As before, if you need a reminder or need to go over the conversions between Roman numerals and numbers, click on the eye, choose the right answer, and the ticks appear. There's a worksheet to go with this teaching page, and of course the answers are there as well.